And now it's officially time to meet DAX. Now, DAX, commonly known as data analysis expressions, is the formula language that drives the Power BI front end. And with DAX, you can go well beyond the traditional A1 style grid formulas that you may be used to in Excel or other spreadsheet tools, and really create powerful and flexible functions that are built specifically to work with relational databases, like our AdventureWorks project in this course. So, to use these powerful and flexible functions, you'll need to either add calculated columns, which are used for filtering, or measures, which are used for aggregation, into your data model. Now, let's take a look at two key ways to use DAX. The first way is to create calculated columns, which are new columns of data that actually live inside your tables. So this is why calculated columns are used for filtering. The second way to use DAX is to create measures, which are then used in visuals to show some sort of aggregation like a sum, count, or average. Now, keep in mind that this is just a brief introduction, and that we're going to dive into each of these in turn, compare the two against each other, really explore exactly how they're operating, and then dive into a bunch of the most common and powerful DAX formulas. But before we do, I first want to cover another important topic, which is the difference between DAX code and M code. So let's do that next.